Hello students, welcome to the class. In today's video, I'm going to explain the solution for the last stage program. As you see on the board, there is one array is already drawn on the board. That is, the length of the array is 5. And what we want to do to interchange the values of first place and the last place. That means this 9 move to the first place like this, and remaining other things are at the same place. Okay, so only first and last digit we have to move. Okay, so how to write the program? I'm going to write the logic but in a different way. That means the length of the array is unknown. So first of all, public and the array. Write the array inside the place where inside the bracket where you used to write the parameters, like आप लेते हो ना int a comma int b. So in that place you have to write the array like this. The length of this array is unknown, so firstly we need to find the length of the array. So take a variable int a equals, or you may use length also. Okay, you may use length also. So find the length. तो आइडेंटिफाई की है यहाँ पे आप लेंथ स्टोर कर रहे हो. सो arr dot length. As you remember, I already explained how to use this one. There are two types of length. One length with bracket and one length is without bracket. Without bracket is used to find the length of array, and with brackets, this type of bracket like this. So this one is used to find the length of the string. Okay, so this one is used to find the length of the array. Okay, now store the value of take a variable int t and store the value of array 0 place. 0 place means first place. Okay, now array 0 equals array len minus 1. Okay, length minus 1. What is length minus 1? Suppose the length of the array is 5, so 5 minus 1 is 4. So array 4. Why array 4? Because we are beginning from the 0 place. So 0 to 4 length is constant, that is 5. So length minus 1. Now array len minus 1. लास्ट प्लेस पे अब क्या डालोगे? t की वैल्यू. Okay, so the first place is array 0, t में आया, then 0 place पे last value will be copied. Okay, and in the last place t, that is value of array 0 place will be copied. Okay, now initialize a for loop. Take the variable int n, int I. You may use here, you may also take the variable here also only, int I. So write down here for I equals 0, I less than len, and I plus plus, and SOP ln ARRI. Okay, if you wish to check the elements of the array, in what sequence the element will be entered, so you may use these statement, this for loop also at the beginning. That means before after finding the length here, you can place this statement here. Okay, I think this program is clear. Now write a program okay, let me think what program I want to give you. Write the program to convert the element of the array. If it is integer, if it is even, then convert it into the odd, and if it is odd, convert it into the even number. कैसे? Suppose there is a number 15, it is odd number, then you have to convert it into the even number, so you just add +1 in it, becomes 16. It is even number. If the number is even and want to convert it into the odd, so add 1 in it, so it is converted to odd number. So your program is, if check the elements of the array, if it is even, then convert it into the odd, and if it is odd, convert it into the even and store it in the same place, not in the different place. Okay, so try this one. I will explain this in the next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.